My whole life, I always wanted to be funny. Like stand-up comedian funny. This is my chance. This is it. I'm gonna need a different dream. Let's get into this whole tape measure snapping back situation. This is something I've been curious about for a long time. So probably the most important feature of any tape measure is its ability to butt in and hook on and give you the exact same measurement. And the number one way to destroy that ability is to let your tape measure repetitively snap back. Or is it? Nobody knows for sure, but that is exactly what we're gonna find out here today. So I've got two brand new tape measures, a cheap $6 tape measure from Canadian Tire A, and a Stanley Fatmax, a brand that I've been using since I was a baby. So I'm gonna quickly get reference measurements for each of the tapes, and then in classic Project Farm fashion, we're gonna snap both these tape measures back from 15 feet 100 times each. Then we're gonna recheck the reference measurements to see if anything's changed, and then we're gonna know all the secrets of the universe when it comes to tape measures. And then after that, because I like breaking things, we're just gonna keep snapping these tapes back until one of them breaks. Now the brand name on the cheap tape is Certified, which leads me to believe it's probably gonna dominate this Stanley Fatmax. I'm pretty excited to get this thing underway. Let the testing begin. So we're gonna check the tapes before we start the test. I've got a 25-inch piece of material here. The Stanley is measuring exactly 25 inches right to the black line. The Certified hooking on is measuring exactly 25 inches as well. The Stanley butting in is right on the 25. That's why I love these Stanley tapes. The Certified butting in is, yeah, that is just 24 and 15/16. So the Certified is almost a 1/16 of an inch off when it comes to hooking on and butting in. Let's see if the testing makes it any worse. So we've got the scientific test rig set up. I'm gonna pull each of the tapes at the same time, 15 feet to the garage door, and let them snap back 100 times. Should be a lot of fun. So while we're waiting for that exciting test to conclude over there, I got out my confuser and we're gonna pick a winner for the sanding block giveaway that I announced last video. I've got up the video, we're gonna scroll through the comments, I'm gonna look away and we're gonna pick a winner. Let's make sure it's scrolling properly. I'll put my finger on there, all the way up. And Blaine, would love a sanding block. Great video, subscribed. All right, Blaine, I'm gonna put my email in the description of the video. So click on that, Blaine, send me your address and I'll mail you a couple of the blocks. Big thanks to everyone that checked out the previous video. Let's get back to this test and see what happened to the tape measures. That was absurd. I'm sweating profusely and I think I pulled both of my hamstrings. Bending over like that 100 times was not a great idea at this advanced age. Let's check the tapes. I don't suspect there will be any difference butting in. For the butting in, the Stanley is still the same. The Certified, that's still 24 and 15/16. Let's check the hook-on measurements. That's gonna tell us if letting your tape snap back is a bad thing. Before we do, let me just say that I've always been a let your tape snap back kind of a guy. The other day in one of the videos, somebody called me out, said that I was a moron for letting my tape snap back. So here we are. Does letting your tape snap back make a difference? Let's take a look at the Stanley Fatmax after 100 snapbacks. Boom, it's dead nuts. We're still right on the 25-inch mark, but let's check this cheap, flimsy, Certified tape and the truth will come out right here. Sometimes people on the internet are right. Nope, not this time. We're still on the 25-inch mark. Turns out that I may know a thing or two about tape measures. Hey, if you want to see my best tape measure tips, check out this video right over here. Oh, and remember when I said that I was going to snap both these tape measures back until one of them broke? I'm not going to do that. I think that my hamstrings might literally explode and kill me. So I'm going to go on with my day. Thanks a lot for watching. Aren't you clicking on the video? If you're still here, you may not be clicking on it. You probably had enough of me. I get it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll see you soon.